Good afternoon, students. Now I am previously we discussed about debtors account, creditors account, bill receivable account, and bills payable account. So now I am going to discuss about short problems on debtors account and creditors account. So here problem from the following a certain total sales. So total sales, how to find out cash sales plus sales include cash sales plus credit sales. So total sales include cash sales plus credit sales. So here problem debtors on opening 1/1/2015 data is given uh, 10,000 1 minute. 10,000. Next one, cash received from the debtors during the year 95,000 rupees. Return invoice. Return invoice is nothing but a sales returns. Return invoice ante sale chesina malli return ante invoice. So return invoice is nothing but a sales return. Next, bad debts. Next, debtors as and closing 31/12/2015 and cash sales as per the cash flow. So debtors account ante how to erase the debtors ante whenever credit sales are made at that time debtors are erased. So debtors account is majorly used to find out the క్రెడిట్ సేల్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి డెటార్స్ అకౌంట్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. సో మీకు క్యాష్ సేల్స్ ఇచ్చేయండి ఇక్కడ లెక్కలో అంటే ఇన్ ప్రాబ్లం క్యాష్ సేల్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్రెడీ గివెన్. సో టోటల్ సేల్స్ ఇంక్లూడ్ క్యాష్ సేల్స్ ప్లస్ క్రెడిట్ సేల్స్, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద క్రెడిట్ సేల్. దట్స్ వై యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద డెటార్స్ అకౌంట్. So in the problem, opening debtors are a debit side. Next, cash received from debtors are credit side. Return invoice, sales returns also credit side. Bad debts credit side. Closing debtors also credit side. Okay. So problem here, 1 minute. So opening debtors account, debtors is a asset. That's why opening balance is shown debit side. Opening debtors 10,000. Next one, cash received from debtors 95,000. It is shown credit side because it is reduced to the debtors amount. Next, return invoice, nothing but sales return. It is shown credit side. Next, bad debts. It is also shown credit side. These both are deduct the debtors amount. Next, closing debtors, it is also shown credit side. So which one at which side is higher amount? This side. So total 1,20,000. So from 1,20,000 we have to deduct the 10,000, then balance 1,10,000. What is the name of balance? So debit side, which items are taken? Opening debtors plus credit sales and bill receivable dishonor. These three items are taken. Here opening debtors are given in the problem. So then whatever balance debit side shown, that balance is assumed as a credit sales. It is the credit sales. So debtor account is used to find out the credit sales during the year. So then based on the credit based on the credit sale, we have to find out the total sales. Total sales formula enti? What is the formula of total sales? Credit sales plus cash sales. Total sales equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Cash sales plus credit sales. So cash sales 1,10,000. Sorry, credit sales. We already we found in the problem 1,10,000 and cash sales already given in the problem 35,000. Both are clubbed. Total sales are 1,45,000. It is a short problem. So please note down in your accounting notebook. Thank you. Next problem, 1 minute. Creditors problem, creditors account. So from the following information, you are required to calculate the total purchases. Total purchase formula is nothing but a credit purchases plus cash purchases. So here cash purchases are given in the problem. Cash purchases are given. So we have to find out the credit purchase. So how to find out the credit purchase? The creditors account is used. Creditors account is used to find out the credit purchases. So creditors on January 1, 2015. It is opening creditor balance. Next one, cash paid to creditors. So it is debit side. Return outwards is nothing but a purchase return. రిటర్న్ అంటే పర్చేజ్ చేసిరు మళ్ళీ అవుట్వర్డ్ అంటే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంటే రిటర్న్ అవుట్వర్డ్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ పర్చేజ్ రిటర్న్. నెక్స్ట్ క్రెడిటార్స్ ఆన్ January 31st, 2015 ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ క్లోజింగ్ క్రెడిటార్స్. సో చూద్దాం ఒకసారి ప్రాబ్లం ఎట్లా అనేది. It is the problem. So it is opposite to debtors account. Creditor account is a liability. That's why opening balance is always shown at the credit side. So opening balance 40,000. Next, cash paid to creditors. It is reduce the amount of creditors. That's why it is shown at the debit side. Cash paid to creditors. Return outwards, purchase returns shown at the debit side. Closing, it opening debtors are shown credit side, closing automatically closing creditors are shown at the debit side. So debit side total is more, that's why first we have to total the debit side 1,19,100. From that we have to deduct the 40,000, then we arrive the credit purchase 79,100. So why credit purchase? Credit side we have to show only the three items: opening balance, credit purchase, bills payable. These are only three items are shown. So remaining balance is nothing but a credit purchases. So creditors account is used to purchase, used to find out the credit purchases. So next one, next we have to calculate the total purchases. So total purchases, how to find out? Credit purchases plus cash purchase, credit purchases plus cash purchases, then we have to find out the total purchases. Credit purchases are 79,500 already. We calculated in the account, creditors account, 79,500 plus cash purchase already given in the problem 15,600. Both are added, then we find 94,700 total purchases. So ఇది ఈ విధంగా టోటల్ పర్చేస్ కనుక్కుంటాం. సో టోటల్ పర్చేసెస్ ఇంక్లూడ్ వాట్ ఆర్? క్రెడిట్ పర్చేస్ ప్లస్ క్యాష్ పర్చేస్. Next, how to find out the credit purchases? Credit purchases are find out by doing the creditors account. Next, how to find out the credit sales? Credit sales are find out by doing the debtors account. So these are the short problems. Please note down in your accounting notebook. Thank you very much.